Hi students, today we are studying about the second chapter, the chapter number 2, polynomial. Okay, first of all, last year already you learned in 8th standard that is what algebraic expressions. First of all, algebraic expressions means what? The combination of variables, constant and coefficients are connected to each other like operations. That is what addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. They are together called as the algebraic expression. Okay. Now see the next point, that is what the polynomials. See first introduction part. Okay. See polynomials. First of all, split that this word, that is poly and nomials. First of all, poly means what? Multi. Poly means multi, that is many. And nomial, polynomial. Nomial means terms. Okay. So any equations are given in that having what? Terms. And here how many terms are there? Many terms. Okay. One term, two term, three term or many term. That is called as the what? Polynomial. Okay. Nomial means terms. Poly means many. See example. Here 3x square plus 7x minus 10. So here how many terms are there? 3 terms. See, 1 term, 2 term and third term. If these 3 terms are connected to the operations, that is what? Plus and minus symbol. Okay. So first, this algebraic expression means polynomials means what? Connected, that is combinations of the constant, variables and coefficients. So see first here 3 and 7. 3 and 7 both are the coefficients. Coefficients, that is what? Connected to the any variables. See here which variables are used? X variable. Okay, that is what? Variable. And here next third one what? Constant term. Okay, so here minus 10. Minus 10. Okay, now there is 10. Minus 10 is what? Constant. Constant is what? Minus 10. Variable X. And here 3 and 7. Okay, that is the what? Polynomials. Okay, now these polynomials, that to find, how to find, that is what there are two terms. There are two types of the polynomial. Firstly depends on the sides, means terms. Okay, and second one that depends on the powers. Okay, so first of all the types of polynomials depends upon the terms. Depends upon the terms. So here 3 terms are there, 3 types are there. First one monomial. Okay, so first here mono. Mono means what? One term. Any equations are given in that having only present only one term is there. Okay, that called as the monomial. See example 7x. Okay, that is one term only. Okay, next 3a square. This one also what? One term. Next m raised to 100. This one also only one term, etc. Okay, this way you have to write what? One term, that is monomial. Second number binomial. Bi means what? Two terms. In equations and what? Two terms. See example 3x plus 7. That is these two terms are connected to the operation, that is plus and minus symbol. Okay, see 3x plus 7. Next one more example, suppose 9m square minus 10. Okay, here two terms are there. It is called as the binomial. Okay, etc. Next one, third type, that is what? Trinomial. So here one word, tri. Tri means what? 3. That is in any equations are given the 3 terms. Okay, it is called as the trinomial. See the example 9m square minus 10m plus 7. Here these 3 terms are connected to the minus and plus symbol. Okay, it is called as the trinomial, etc. Okay, these are the types of the polynomials what depends on the terms. Next, one more type, that is the types of polynomial. Second one is what? Depends upon the degree, that is power. Also known as what? Exponent, index. Okay. Now you see that here four types are there. First one, linear equation. Linear equation means what? Power 1. That is degree 1. Okay. See here, any example you write it. That is 3x plus 7. Okay. That is linear equation in one variable, linear equation in two variable. Okay. Next, 3x plus 7. This only depends on the power. So here x power is what? 1. Okay. Next, one more example. Suppose 7x plus the minus 10, etc. Here also, what is the power? Only 1. Okay. And then you suppose in linear equation you have to write 3x raised to 4 plus 7. Now this is the linear equation? No. Because having what here? X raised to 4. Okay, so in linear equations, only power is what? 1. Second type, quadratic equation. In quadratic equation means what? Power 2. Power 2. See, example, 7x raised to 2 plus 1. Okay, so here power 2. Okay, now x raised to 2. That is quadratic equation. One more example, 10m square plus 7m minus 8. Okay, here two terms and here three terms, but the quadratic equation only depends upon the powers. Means here 2 and here also 2. So this is the also what example for quadratic equation. That is okay, etc. Next, third type, that is what? Cubic equation. Cubic means power 3. Power 3, that is degree 3. Example, 9x raised to 3. Only one term is there, but the power is what? 3. Next one, 10m plus 7m cube minus 8. Okay, here in this equation, one term is there, that is 7m cube. So highest degree also is what? 3. That is power 3, etc. That is the example of cubic equation. Next, biquadratic equation. First, second, see that quadratic. Quadratic means power 2. And biquadratic. Bi means 2. So 2 multiply quadratic. That is 2 multiply 2. That is 4. So power 4. Power 4. See the example. 9x raised to 4 minus 7. Here power 4. That is the example for what? Biquadratic equation. Next, one more example. 10m raised to 4 minus 3m3 plus 7m minus 10. Okay, this is the example for the what? Biquadratic equation. Here at what? Only power 4. That is the greatest power. Okay, etc. Okay, this is the types of the polynomials. First, it depends on the term, like first three terms, monomial, binomial and trinomial, and depends on the powers, that is degrees. Four types. First one, linear equation. Second number, quadratic equation. Third number, cubic equation. And fourth number, biquadratic equation. Now, how to write the any polynomials? Okay, means you have to given any polynomial, that time having you have to write only descending orders. Means first of all you have to write the highest degree, then smallest. Okay, see here one formula, an x raised to n, that is the highest number, plus smallest number an minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus dash 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 a1 x plus a0. Okay, see the example. 3x raised to 5 plus 7x raised to 4 minus 5x cube plus 10x square minus 2x plus 7. Okay, that is here what? The first you have to write power 5, that is highest power. Then afterward the smallest, that is 4. then smallest 3, then smallest 2, then smallest here 1, and then 0, means constant value. Okay, that is what descending order you write it. Okay, descending order. Any polynomial you have to write it in descending order. Okay, now see the next point, that is what polynomials is yes or no, means what you have to give any polynomial, this polynomials is yes or no. Okay, see how to find. See, suppose s, in that any polynomial you have to give one variables what power, that is positive power, x raised to 2. Next only 1, that is power 1, no problem. In root any number, and outside what any variable, that time these are what polynomials. Suppose having no, when the x raised to negative power, that is minus 2. Okay, second x raised to any fractions are given, that time also these are the not polynomial. Next 1 upon x, that is any variable you have to write in denominator, that time this is not the polynomial. And fourth option, in root any variable you write it, means in root x, it is not the polynomial. Okay, this way you have to find which are the polynomial or which are not. Okay, see next point is what highest degree, that is degree. In any polynomial you have to give one, that time you have to write always what highest degree, that is descending order. Okay, now so see here one example, when you have to use that one variable, either 2 or 3 variables are used. Okay, see first one example using that one variable. See example, 7x raised to 8 plus 5x raised to 9 minus 3x square plus 10. Okay, here which one is the greatest power, that is x raised to greatest power, means what here 9. Okay, so you have to write always what highest degree. So what is the answer? 9, because here highest degree is what 9. Second example, with the using that what more than 2 variables in one term. See 7m square np, n having what 1 power, p also 1 power, plus 8m 1 power, n square p3, plus 10m cube n square p raised to 5. Okay, so here you have to write for one by one term, you write it the power, that is what highest degree. So first one, addition of that all the powers, 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is what 4. Next second term, 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6 terms. Third number term, 3 plus 2 plus 5, that is 10 power. So what is the highest degree? Highest degree is what 10, that is third number term. Okay, this way you have to write what highest degree. Okay, next one more point, coefficients of x square, either x, this type of questions. In that having you have to write only what coefficient. See example, minus 3x square plus 7x. So here where is x square? This one, right? So you have to write what coefficients of x square. So what is the coefficient? Minus 3. Okay, symbols also you have to write it. There suppose your positive are given, that time don't write positive symbol. Okay, but the negative, that time you write it. Okay, so minus 3. Second number, 8x plus 2 upon 7 x square plus 10. Okay, now here also what the one x square is there, and what is the coefficient of x square? That is 2 upon 7. 2 upon 7, right? Next one more example, 10x minus 7. See here in that example, any power is what 2? No, here only what power 1 and the constant number. So here you write it what answer 0. Okay, because here not present what x raised to 2. Understood all of you? For these all are what introduction part. Okay, these are introduction, and then after you have to solve that what first exercise. That is totally depends upon the introduction part. So exercise number 2.1 homework. Okay, thank you.